So my idea of like being a mom and being able to like move around and do what I need to do, I like to have things that are super convenient and super easy. Hence why I'm usually rocking a wig or, you know, some sort of braids or something, because that's quick and easy for me to do in the morning without having to worry about my hair. Now, as you guys can see, those protective styles do help my hair to grow. I did just do like a little trim, so there's that, but it is so thick. Like, this hair is so thick. I don't even know if this is going to blend in very well because my hair has gotten so much thicker than what it was before. As you guys know, I've been natural for, Bubba is 6 years old. I've been natural since he was born. So the last perm I got was while he was while I was pregnant with him. And so anyways, long story short, we're gonna unbox this hair. This is from the Amazing Beauty Hair Company, okay? And I'm excited. It says, invest in your hair. It is the crown you never take off. Now, if you guys know, I enjoy investing in my hair. I enjoy investing in good wigs and, you know, kind of playing around with them because, again, it's my crown and I try to protect this underneath here, okay? I invest in good hair care products, you know, things like that. I do test things out to see what I like, but y'all didn't ask me any of that. So let's go ahead, let's unbox and see what comes in here. I have not even like got into it other than just opening it up, and here we go. Okay, so in the box you get the hair and you get a clip so you can clip your hair up, so that's good. And they also send you a comb and then 2 like extra clips here, so that's dope to me. And then in here you have the Amazing Beauty Hair Store, they tell you, and then it has some instructions. So prep your extensions by removing any tangles with your fingers, wash your extensions in a sink full of lukewarm water, holding the weft. Okay, so that's how you can use it, and it tells you some daily care and stuff like that. So I love when things come with instructions on how to take care of that particular hair. One of the things I ran into before with some extensions was that it didn't tell you how to take care of that particular style of hair. So I used my normal hair care products and it just did not mix and blend with it because it needed something different, okay? So anyway, so this is what I'm gonna do right now, and let's go ahead and open this hair up here. Okay, so the purpose of the clip-ins would be to put them in so that I would be able to get a little bit of length. Now, I asked for the 18-inch clip-ins, so we're gonna see. Let's undo them how they look right here so I can show you guys. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 clips there, so that is good in itself because you want to make sure that you aren't like putting too much pressure on your hair. So that's another thing about wearing these. I like these because I can take them in and out and I don't have to worry about it. So you will pop them open like that, pop, pop, okay, and you will part your hair. So we're gonna part my hair from side to side. Let's see how many of these extensions we got first before we do that. So because I know that there should be like different lengths, which there are. So the other one has 4 clips, this one has 3 clips, and then this one has 3 clips, and then we should get to, yep, okay, then 3 clips, and then the 2 clips and the 2 clips. So they are different lengths so that you can stick them in different places of your hair, okay? So we're gonna start with the 4 clipped one because that one is gonna go in the back of the hair. So you're gonna wanna put it down so that it fits, you know, kind of towards the middle. Let me show you guys. First, let me get my mirror because baby girl ain't got no mirror. What are we doing in here? All right, here we go. So I'm going to look over here, but I'm gonna show you the back part of my hair as I'm doing it. So what I would do is I would want my clip to start here. So you want to part your hair, okay? And I know that's not perfect, but we're gonna go with it if you wanna. Where I have parted it at, stick it down. And make sure. Make sure it doesn't have a lot of tension and pressure on there. Okay, so you would just continue to do that. We're gonna continue to add the hair in throughout my hair. So just stay tuned because I'm you know, let it go. Okay, so let's see how we are looking here. And this is just, for me, it's just adding some length. And like I said, it's like, I probably should, I'm probably gonna go back in and add some more at the bottom because my hair is already, it's already thick. Right, so I would normally add clip-ins in for this the length. So I'm gonna have to go and press it out so that it looks a little bit more in sync. It's actually not that bad, but I definitely need to add or like put the 3. Do I have another 3? I have 2, 2, 2, and 2. Okay, so I have these. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna just go back in to the back part and I'm going to add some more length back there because right now we have more length and it doesn't look even. You know what I'm saying? Like with my hair like that. So what we wanna do is just go back in where I started was kind of like the middle part of my head. So I'm just gonna go in at the back part of my hair and just add in some more. I tell you what, I'm gonna go do this in the mirror and I'll come back with it all installed and looking great. But you guys got the idea, right? Like you got the general idea of clip-ins. And see, there go the dog and the geese, y'all. Like the dog and the geese get up. Okay, so let me go do all of this and then I'll be back. All right, you guys, so this is what the outcome looks like. I did use my flat irons and all I did was just run my flat iron through my hair and combine the two together. So that really helped all of the hair to kind of blend in together by using this flat iron. This is a babeless flat iron and I love it because you guys can, you know, do 2. You can curl and you can flat iron at the same time. Catch them teas. Okay, so that is how I did the like overall like blending of the hair because you want to make sure it blends and it does blend very well. Let me show you guys the back. Hopefully I didn't just like mess it up. But it did blend very well. This is 18 inches of hair. I didn't have any shedding when I was in there just trying to like flat iron it, comb through it, blend it all in together. It's very thin, so I like that. And by thinness, I mean you don't want a big bulky clip in your hair, right? Because if it's really big and bulky, then you're gonna be able to see it in your hair. So I think that I am really loving the fact that because my hair is thick and these clips are thin, it's covering it up. So I was able to put all of the clips in there and you still have this good like blending going on here. I'm here for it, honey. Yes. And like I said, there was no shedding on this hair, which was, I was actually surprised because I mean, I guess I'm not really surprised, but I'm happy to know that there wasn't any shedding because that's something that you want to be mindful of because who wants to keep buying new clips every couple of weeks, right? You want to make sure that they last and the quality is good. I also noticed that there was not a smell when I opened up the package, and when I opened up the hair, I smelled the hair like there was nothing of a smell or odor or anything. So I feel like this hair was not chemically like altered or anything. This is just 100% human hair. Now it didn't say, yeah, it's just human hair extensions. Like it doesn't say it's Peruvian or Brazilian or whatever. It's just human hair extensions. So this would probably be similar to, I used to get Remy Saga hair back in the day and make my little quick weaves. I don't know if y'all know about that. Put a heart down in the comment section if y'all ever used to get quick weaves back in the day. So this reminds me kind of that, but just a little bit higher quality. Like I feel like it's a little bit different. And again, I'm just in love with the fact that they are so thin you cannot tell, especially with the placement of them. Just be mindful of your placement so that you're able to have your hair comb over them. All right, let me know what you guys think of this hair down below. This is a budget friendly hair. I don't know if I said that in the beginning. Did I say that? Did I even tell y'all this was beauty on a budget? Did I even introduce the video? Y'all, I'm clowning. So this is a hair company that is on a budget. So for me, you're able to grab it and use it. And like I said, I like to have the convenience of being able to just switch my hair out whenever I need to. I like wearing my hair out, but I do like a little bit more length to it. So this works really good for me. So anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Are you guys gonna try some of this amazing beauty hair? I know they would love to have you. And it's available on Amazon, so you already know I'm here for the Amazon hair, okay? So make sure you guys check it out, and I will have all of the links down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Mwah. Okay, bye.